you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Well, today I have an Imac that needs to have the RAM replaced. Before I show you this quick tutorial, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Like and share the videos. Click that notification bell so you can see when new videos are uploaded. Well, so I have a 24-inch iMac and the RAM needs to be replaced. How do we do that? So on the iMac, for this model that I'm using, it has a little metal plate at the bottom of the screen. So you turn it over, you flip it over, you look at the bottom, you're going to see this particular model, there's only one screw, but some of them I've seen they have two screws, but this one has only one screw. So what you do is you loosen that screw. Okay, and then gotta wiggle and pull out that plate. All right, pull out the plate, put it to the side. If you look inside, you're going to see there are two, for this model there are two RAM sticks here, one on the left and one on the right, and there are two plastic tabs, and these tabs are what you'd use to pull out the RAM. Later models they have about 8 gigs. This one only has 4 gigs of RAM, so there's 2 gigabytes in this slot, and there's another 2 gigabytes on this side. So to replace the RAM, to upgrade it, all you gotta do, pull on that. If your RAM has gone bad or you're upgrading for more RAM, so you pull on that plastic piece, take that out, and you pull on this side, pull on that, and the RAM will come out. Okay, so that's all you gotta do. I hope you found this helpful, and to the next, don't forget to replace this metal cover and screw it in. Okay, just make sure it's nice and flush, and then just screw it in. Okay, I'll deal with this later on, but that's all you gotta do. Alright, I hope you found this to be beneficial. If it has been beneficial to you, please consider subscribing to the channel, like and share the video. Thank you.